बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल के PPSC के ओल्ड पेपर के MCQs। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, इन द एक्सेल डिफ़ॉल्ट हेडर ऑफ द वर्कशीट इज़ नन ऑफ द। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, इन द एक्सेल विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन इन द स्पेलिंग डायलॉग बॉक्स एडिट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, एक्सेल यूजेस द फंक्शन व्हेन क्रिएटिंग ए डेटा टेबल कहलाता है। Question number 4, in the Excel you can copy cell format from one cell to another by using the format printer कहलाता है। Question 5, in the Excel accounting style shows navigate number in the parentheses। Question number 6, in Excel you can use the drag and the drop to remember Excel worksheet data in the Word document क्या कहलाता है, A and C, by the dragging range of the Excel data to the Word button on the taskbar while pressing the control key, and the C is by displaying both applications side by side and the dragging a selected range of the Excel data into the Word application window while pressing the control key। Question number 7 है, in the Excel the chart wizard can only place a chart on new chart sheet कहलाती है। Question number 8 है, in the Excel which function will calculate the number of the work days between the 6/9/2000 and the 8/11/2000, all of the above used। Question number 9, in Excel data marker on the chart are linked to the data points in a worksheet, therefore you can change to position of a data marker and automatically change the data point value in the worksheet। Question number 10, in Excel when you group worksheet क्या कहलाता है, B and C, you can print more than one worksheet at a time and you can enter common data formats and the formulas on the multiple worksheet at one time। Question number 11, in Excel you can zoom worksheet, all of the above कहलाते हैं। Question number 12 में you cannot link Excel worksheet data to Word documents with the copy and the paste button on the standard toolbar कहलाता है। Question number 13, in Excel this type of the software is similar to an accountant worksheet, separate sheet कहलाते हैं। 14 question, in Excel you can use the format painter multiple times before you turn it if by the double clicking the format painter button कहलाते हैं। Question number 15, in the Excel default header in the for the worksheet is none। 16 question, Excel which of the following is the not an option in the spelling dialog box edit कहलाता है। 17 question, in Excel you can quickly change the appearance of your work by the choosing auto format from the format कहलाता है। Question number 18, in Excel is a group of a cell that form a rectangle on the screen, range कहलाता है। Question number 19 है, in Excel following term describe explanatory text attached to a cell, comment कहलाता है। Question 20, in Excel the drag and the drop method of copying or moving can be used between the workbook but not worksheet। Question 21, in Excel 3D reference in a formula spans worksheet कहलाता है। Question number 22, in Excel the auto calculate feature provide a quickly way to view the result of an arithmetic operation on a range of a cell कहलाता है। Question number 23, in Excel to protect a worksheet you can choose the production and the protect sheet from the menu tools कहलाता है। 24 question, in Excel you can open the highlight change dialog box by choosing the track changes from the menu tools कहलाता है। 25 question, Excel which of the following is not a worksheet design criteria description कहलाता है। 26 question, in Excel to copy cell content using drag and drop press them, none of the above कहलाता है। 27, in Excel if you press the cell except you typing as its content enter कहलाता है। Question 28, in Excel the autofill feature, none of the above। 29 question, in Excel the keyboard shortcut button on the button the press D for creating a chart from the selected cell, F11 कहलाता है। 13 question, in Excel you can use the formula palette to the create and the edit formula containing function कहलाता है। 31 question, what Excel feature can you use if you want to work with one record at a time, data form कहलाता है। 32 question, Excel what chart object is the horizontal or the vertical line that extend across the plot area to make it easier to read and follow the value. Grid line कहते हैं. 33 question है Excel value used in a formula that does not change is called the constant कहते हैं. 34 question in Excel which element of the worksheet can be protected from the accidental modification. All of the above कहता है. constant content कहता है. object कहता है. scenario all of the above. 35 question है in Excel you can use the drag and the drop method to the A and B copy of all content and the move the cell content. 36 question in Excel it is acceptable to let long text flow into the adjacent cell on the worksheet when no data will be entered in the adjacent cell कहता है. 37 question in Excel how can you delete a record. Select data from the menu to the open the data from dialog box. Find the record and click the delete button कहता है. 38 question right clicking the something in Excel open the shortcut menu listening everything you can do to the object कहता है. 39 question Excel documentation should include all of the above कहता है. Files created with the Lotus 123 have an extension 123 कहता है. 41 in Excel to delete an embedded object first select it and then press the delete key कहता है. 42 question Excel comments can be added to cell using insert comment कहता है. 43 in Excel which of the following is not a worksheet design creation कहता है. description कहता है. 44 in Excel suppose you have column of the data that span more than one printed page. How can you automatically print the column heading on each page? Correct answer A. Click page setup on the file menu, click the sheet tab and enter the row that contains these column heading under. 45 question in Excel a fast way to add up this column of the number is to click in the cell below the number and then correct answer C. Click the auto sum button on the standard toolbar then press enter. 46 question in Excel which of the following is in the absolute cell reference $A $1. 47 question Excel what symbol is used before a number to make it a label A equal sign होता है. 48 question in Excel which symbol must all formula begin with equal. 49 question in Excel which of the following formula is not entered correctly is 10 plus 15. 50 question in Excel which of the following formula will Excel not be able to calculate equal to sum sales A3. आज के लिए हमारे 50 क्वेश्चन काफ़ी हैं. नेक्स्ट हम वीडियो दूसरे पार्ट में बनाएंगे. थैंक यू. अगर अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.